It's Chuck's here. Something I've done today, I've gone and got some recycled parts. I needed a power supply for the TP40, I'm not sure what the number is, I haven't got it on me, for the to charge up the batteries. So I went and got this one. Once upon a time this would probably have cost me over $100, but today it was $15. I'm going to pull the DVD out of it, the laser, because if I want to do some graphene stuff, which I'm thinking about doing some graphene supercapacitors for fun, but that might be later into the day. So there's a part there for free, another one. So that used to be like $40, and like I said, $15 for the whole thing. It's got this awesome graphics card. No idea what type of graphics card that is. If anyone knows, leave me a comment below, because I've got no idea what it's off. I'm going to grab this fan. I'm going to put that onto my, that's if it works, onto my 3D printer. Look at all the shit coming out of that. I'm going to get it onto the air blower over there in a minute and clean that out. Other than that, what have I been working on? Well, I've been working on over there, I've been working on a microwave transformer, which I'm going to turn into a spot welder. And I've got all the cables there for that, and that's out of a microwave. You just take the secondary out. Now what I did with this, I'll just pause. I removed I cut one side with a hacksaw, and then I crafted this on my grinder, and it goes all the way through, and I pushed it all the way out to the other side on both sides, and just took all the crap, and just there's what's left of it. And there was one more roll there, but you need to leave these shims in the center in, and then you need to have something heavy weighted cable. I'm going to try this. I haven't seen anyone using this type of stuff, but this is just bloody car cable. I'm going to run it through there probably twice and see what type of spot welding abilities it's going to have. I'll need to make a timer for it of some description, which we'll be doing. And at the end of it, it should come up as a good spot welder for putting the batteries together. And that's what I've been doing for the day. I've been spending a bit of time talking to people. Oh, there was another thing too with the TP40. I'm going to have to get onto that. There's a single chip and a dual chip of them. And I just got told that the dual chip is probably the better one to go for, because it actually protects the battery, as opposed to the one chip will charge it but doesn't protect it. But that's what I've been told. So if I'm wrong and someone else has just told me something that it's not what I thought it was going to be, and they might be quite correct as well, please leave a comment down below, and please subscribe. There's lots more to come, and lots of fun making a spot welder. Okay, talk to you soon. Hope you're all having a great day. Bye.